12 tips to naturally grow your hair. In this modern world of technology, where we are excessively using toxic products and exposing ourselves to pollution, many of us are worried about our hair. If you don't want to use those expensive, chemical-leached hair products in order to regrow your hair, watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I will be telling you about 12 proven natural remedies that can stimulate hair growth and enhance the hair that you already have. Number 12. Massage your scalp. An easy way to grow your hair naturally at home is to massage your scalp. Doing this will increase the flow of blood to your scalp. It makes the roots of your hair strong and helps nutrients to reach them. The hair follicles also get sharper. You can easily give yourself a scalp massage on dry hair if your hair has oily roots. But using rich nutrient oil to massage will only double the gains of the hair. Just try it on weekly basis. It is the best tip for growing your hair naturally. Apart from hair gains, it refreshes your mood and relieves stress. Number 11. Distribute your hair's natural oils by combing. Before going to bed without combing your hair may seem tempting when you are exhausted and tired, but combing and giving your hair a few light strokes may be good for its sanity. Begin combing at the scalp using a boar bristle hairbrush to circulate your scalp's oils evenly onto your hair so it will stay naturally humidified. Doing this easy step every night as a part of your beauty routine will help you in enhancing circulations that make your scalp health good and naturally grow your hair. Number 10. Skip the shampoo on a daily basis. You have always heard that shampooing your hair too much is not good for them. But do you have an idea why is it so? Shampooing your hair 2 or more times per week weakens hair health. It deprives your hair of essential oils and causes them to become dry. To maintain your hair health, you must avoid shampooing it excessively, allowing it to repair and hydrate itself. You can also choose organic shampoos to avoid harmful chemicals affecting your hair health. Number 9. Be careful when you comb wet hair. Hair is especially sensitive to breakage when it is wet, and there are many chances of it getting broken. Even getting pressure from brushing in that state might cause falling and breakage of hair. Instead of brushing hair right after shampoo while your hair is strangled and wet, try a dry towel so it no longer drips water. You can also use conditioner and leave it in for some time after shampoo. So when you try combing it later, it will smoothly get combed. Also, use a gentle wide comb to detangling your hair. Start from the roots in tiny sections to avoid breakage of hair. Doing this will enhance your hair health and they will naturally grow longer. Number 8. Avoid extreme heat styling. As recommended by experts many times, avoid and stop over-styling your hair with tools using extreme heat. Even if you need to use it, decrease or reduce the temperature and always use a heat protector to protect your hair health. Otherwise, you will have the risk of damaging and losing your hair due to breakage and frizz caused by it. Avoiding heat for your hair will increase your hair health and they will grow naturally. Number 7. Stop doing trendy cleanses. Many beauty brands may try to convince you that having a hair cleanse will turn your hair into gold, but hair experts strongly refuse this idea and advise against having these trendy cleanses. According to experts, these cleanses strip your hair of nutrients and weakens them. Just a week after doing cleanse, you will have detected that your hair growth has slowed down and it will feel frizzy. So, it is better to avoid these cleanses to let your hair grow naturally. Number 6. Sleep over a silk pillowcase. Getting outstanding hair in your sleep is possible. All you need to do is switch up your pillowcase. Silk is easier for hair. Using a silk pillowcase helps to avoid hair breakage and loss. It is recommended by an expert dermatologist in Nick to use a silk pillowcase to naturally enhance your hair growth. By doing so, lesser breakage of hair is experienced, the hair stays intact for a longer time. Also, you should use such soft material for better sleep, and a silk pillowcase also prevents acne. Number 5. Apply mixed yogurt and egg on hair. Another tip from many of our elders is to apply mixed yogurt and egg on your hair before having a shower. It is the best remedy for hair as it enhances hair growth, minimizes hair dryness, and strengthens hair health. It is also beneficial for entangled and dull, rough hair. If you mix honey in that formula, then it will fasten the process of hair growth. After applying the mixture of all these ingredients, leave your hair in the sunshine for 30 to 45 minutes. Then take bath and wash your hair. It is one of the most useful natural tips to grow your hair naturally. Number 4. Promote growth by changing up your hairstyle. Keeping the same hairstyle for so long is also a hurdle in your hair growth. Also, keeping a ponytail or top knot in the same place on your head each day causes your hair to break from the consecutive tension. Frequently changing the hairstyle is a simple tip that can help you to maintain the strength of your hair. Trying different hairstyles helps your hair repair the damage and promotes its growth naturally. Think of it as hair exercise. Number 3, check your protein intake. If your diet is unhealthy, you cannot expect healthy hair on your head. Your hair would not in a way you want if they are not provided with essential nutrients. It also starts breaking due to poor health. Having the best well-balanced diet along with enough protein intake in your body is essential for optimal hair growth. It is generally recommended that 50 grams or more of protein per day in your diet are good for the sanity of hair and body. It promotes your hair growth naturally and improves its health. Number 2. Use coconut oil. Coconut oil consists of fatty acids that strengthen the roots of your hair, promoting its growth and reduces the protein loss from it. Coconut oil can be used before or after you wash your hair depending on the type of your hair. If your hair is oily, you may do a leave-in treatment for the whole night or a few minutes before you wash your hair. Massage coconut oil in your scalp and all over in your hair. If your hair is dry type, you can also apply the same way and try leave-in treatment, but for less time. It is the best treatment for lustrous hair, and it is proved by the research of centuries to enhance hair growth naturally. Number 1. Take fish oil. Consuming fatty omega acids have been proven to improve your hair health in the real sense internally. Using fish oil supplements fills up the void of nutrients and proteins in your body. Taking an omega accessory along with antioxidants helps in improving hair tightness and length. It also minimizes loss of hair and promotes its growth. Omega in fish oil also helps your body cells to work appropriately and may boost your immunity, leading to the enhanced overall health. Final thoughts. That's all for today's video and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comments section below. Lastly, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it and press that bell button so you will be notified each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. And while you are here, click to watch one of these 2 videos that are appearing on your screen. We will see you there. Take care and stay tuned.